Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a glitter cut crease with the negative space using a spoon. And I also use in this video the Modern Renaissance palette and the Too Faced chocolate palette. I'm wearing the U2 false lashes by Amazing Shine and using the W7 glitter eyeliner to create that gorgeous sparkly gold glitter on the crease, and an Avon Mark lipstick, Dare to be Bare.
Applejack.
So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you all liked it. I really love this look. It's really quick and easy. It takes about 20 minutes to do. I like to keep the lips plain for this look because obviously you've got all that drama going on with the eyes, with the lashes and the glitter and the cut crease. So just having a sort of lipstick that matches the eyeshadow a little bit, I think ties it in all nicely together without it detracting attention away from the look. You could literally duplicate this look with any colour, so I've just gone for like a peachy beige sort of colours for my cut crease, but you can use any colour and then do the same thing with the lipstick sort of coordinated. So I hope you liked this video guys. Please leave me a like and subscribe if you did, and turn on the bell notification so that every time I upload you'll get a notification. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!